So you've seen what we can get through the accessibility tools in Chrome, and it allowed us to make some adjustments to our code, like we added labels, we fixed the alt attribute for one of our images, we learned a bit about contrast ratio, but there's still a good bit more when it comes to accessibility that this audit doesn't tell us about. And so I think it makes sense to augment this tool with another tool that we can use in Firefox. So I'm going to jump over to Firefox, and the add-on that we want to use is called AInspector Sidebar. You can find out more information on this page or do a search for AInspector Firefox. The A stands for accessibility. And once you've added it, you can open up our project and click on the AI button that gets added to the top. And this will open up the accessibility sidebar. So it looks like we get 14 violations according to this audit, and they fall into a number of different categories. If we want to learn more about the specific violations, we can double-click any of these rows. So I'm going to double-click on the landmark. So the first rule that we're violating is main landmark, at least one. If we click this, we can see a little bit more detail down here. It says each page must have at least one main landmark used to identify the main content. And it even tells us what we need to do. We need to add a main landmark to the page.